Welcome back to our channel How to Guide, where we post guide videos. Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can find your saved reels on Facebook, and it's pretty simple, so follow the steps. And before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel How to Guide, hit that subscribe to our channel and let's move on. Now first let me teach you how you guys can save a reel. So you can go inside a reel to see the reel, and at the bottom right of the reel you can see the three dots. You want to click on the three dots, and at the top over here you can see this option called save reel. You can click on save reels and your reel will be saved. You can instantly click on view and it'll take you to the saved reel section so you can view the reel. But if you don't want to do that and you want to view it some another time, what you can do is click on the menu icon at the bottom right of your screen. Now once you're in the menu section, at the bottom you can see this option called Reels, which is right above See More. You want to click on Reels. Once you click on Reels, at the top you can see your profile picture right beside the camera icon. Click on the profile picture and it's going to show you all the reels you have uploaded over here. But since I have not uploaded any reels, it's empty. But we don't want to see our reels, we want to see the reels which we have saved. So for that there's this option called saved, and it's going to show you all the reels which you have saved. As you guys can see, the reel which I just saved is over here as well. So that's how you guys can find your saved reels on Facebook. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit that subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.